Hello YouTube and welcome knife enthusiast. Today we're gonna check out a whole bunch of six-leaf knives. Now this was the first six-leaf knife I got. You can see my camera would focus on the writing. I don't know why it's so hard for it to focus on writing on knives. So this is SL-02. So if they're numbering the releases, this must only be the second one. Rattlesnake design, it looks like. And then D2. Beautiful micarta handle. It looks like a burlap micarta. Really thick in the hand. There is milling on the inside liner, so they did try to reduce the weight of it, although it is extremely heavy. Besides that, there's not like a whole lot of branding. They got a cool little logo. My camera would focus on it. But besides that, it doesn't say like Sixleaf real big anywhere or nothing. The rattlesnake design. See a nice large pivot. I haven't taken this apart, so I don't know if it's D-shaped or not. But I have not had this come loose. I have not had to tighten it up or nothing. Got a nice deep carry pocket clip. And this thing has the best action. Like completely drop shut. Like I don't have to shake it at all. It just is fall shut. And it has a nice satisfying click when it falls shut. And it also has a very satisfying lockup when you deploy it. Love the sound of it as it launched the freaking box across the room that I just hit when I flicked it. It was an empty box that this came in, so. And then it feels amazing in the hand. Just when you grab onto this handle, it really just feels really good in the hand. Like absolutely amazing. And then the choke up on it. And your thumb, it just wants to fall right here. But if you had some real fine detail work, they give you this extra hump up here so you can really get in there. But just one of the best filling knives in the hand. Carries quite well in the pocket because it is such a deep clip. I mean, that clip is so freaking deep, there's only that little bit sticking up out of your pocket. And because of the way the screws are and everything, I mean, your pocket goes all the way down. Absolutely love this. Razor sharp. Very interesting grind on the blade. But it doesn't affect the cutting edge. Like the cutting edge is its own grind, and then you have this going on, and then this going on, and then all this going on. Just absolutely amazing. But because of the way they did it, it will make sharpening it just like a normal knife. Gets really thick behind the tip too, so that I don't know. I just love this knife. I got it for $27 on auction at eBay. I've seen them go for cheaper and for more. You can buy it for 37 bucks, I think, on Amazon or eBay. So at 37 bucks for a knife, I mean, this has better action than a $150 or $200 knife. I mean, I wish a couple $300 knives had action this good. Like, it had just so dropped shut. Like, you just follow it around and then poof, it goes right in. No, you don't have to shake it at all. I mean, if you do, it goes down that much easier, but you do not have to shake it. Gravity takes it home every time. Just wow. So that got me interested in Sixleaf knives. So you can either go right to their website or whatever and buy them. Like I said, this one's 37 bucks. This one disappointed me. I'll be honest in my reviews. I don't know what I was expecting. I think I was expecting a front flipper because I saw a picture of it closed on their website. So I saw this and I was thinking, oh, cool, a front flipper. No, there ain't no flipping this. When I tried, you feel like you, look at that. See each of them indentations? Feels like a saw blade. Like straight up saw blade. Like, it hurts so freaking bad. Very, very, very uncomfortable. It's a really, really thin blade. Real thin. Large knife though. And it's not a liner lock or nothing. It's not a lock back. It's a slip joint. So you got to be really careful with it. It too is a rattlesnake design. .4116. Don't know what any of that means. Same symbol on the front. Don't know what steel this is. Hopefully it's like a 14C28N or something. Something stainless. I think the best thing you're going to use it is going to be a steak knife. That's what I would use it for. Or just like a barbecue knife. If I'm going to a cookout with family and friends, instead of trying to use a plastic freaking knife at the cookout or something, I probably take this. If I'm cooking out on the grill, I might throw this in my pocket. If I'm prepping food outside or something, getting ready to cook it, I might carry this. It might be alright. I would not use this for carving a stick or nothing. Now, I got this for like 10, 11 bucks at auction. This usually goes for like 10, 15 bucks at auction. It's the actual factory that makes Sixleaf. It's their website on eBay that auctioned these off. That's another reason I thought these came from the same factory that made my favorite knife brand is Tucson. And this one, to me, the action on it, the reverse detent track, like how it just falls shut, like, man, it felt like a Tucson to me in the hand. Even the burlap micarta, the machine work, just everything about this screamed Tucson to me. Even the cheap packaging, a freaking box. It all just screamed like it came from the Tucson factory to me. Which, why I was interested in buying more of them. The other ones make me question if they come from the Tucson factory. This one makes me feel like it does. So let me know down in the comments if you know if they do or not. But yeah, for 10 bucks, this one, put a lanyard on it or something. So carry it in your pocket or something just to take to a cookout or something. Foldable steak knife. Can't beat it. But here we got a front flipper. Now this one I've carried on me a lot in my pocket since I've got it. I got it before any of these other ones, and I carried it a lot in my pocket for weeks and weeks. And it's still sharp. I've used it like a knife, but this one only has a front flipper. Which, of course, on video I'm going to screw it up because I'm trying to get it on camera and not in my finger. But front flipper actually works really good if you hit it with your thumb. You have to hit it with your thumb. It's drop shut too. I mean, shake shut. This one's definitely shake shut. Awesome blade shape to it. Really, really love the blade shape. This one, I don't understand why they didn't bring this down further. If they would have brought this down further or cut a choil out or something up here, you'd be able to reverse flick it real easy. But there's no way I can get in there to reverse flick this. Some people might be able to flick it with their thumb, but I can't. I can double pinch and slow roll, which that's always really satisfying to do, is a slow roll. Cannot reach over on this. This feels like a spike going into your finger. I mean, you can if you like use two hands, one to hold it down here when you do it. Like, that's the only way you can. I can't do it any other way. Maybe other people can, but when I reach over like this, it feels like it's digging into my finger. It hurts. It's real painful. To hit it with your thumb though is comfortable. It doesn't hurt at all. So to disengage it is good, like really nice disengagement. They at least made the disengagement of it easy. The jipping on it's real soft. It's only on the inside part of it, which makes it feel like even softer. A lot of times jipping on a lockup can hurt your finger. And this has a carbon fiber G10 handle. This is really, really boxy down here. But you got plenty of room to throw a lanyard in there if you're a lanyard person. Deep carry pocket clip. All these are on ball bearings. Besides this one, I don't think this slip joint's on ball bearings. But all their other ones are. This one can kind of be a meat cleaver too, because it doesn't have a flipper tab. You got to disengage it high up so that comes down on your fingernail and then let it fall rest away. It's one bad thing about knives without flippers is the disengagement if it's a lock bar. Next one. Now this is like their most expensive style knife that Sixleafs make, I think. They got some titanium knives that are more expensive. But this one, it's in a honeycomb. And they have several different ones. I thought this might have been the one that glows. This one does not glow. Has a deep carry pocket clip. And did you guys see that? No, the action on that thing is so fast you don't even see it. Just, you can't fail it. You can't fail this one. You can't fail that one. They're going to open no matter what. Like, I was trying to there, and it came out just as hard. And then it has enough of a choil here. You can easily reverse flick it or spidey flick it. I thought you could. Maybe you can't. Huh. Maybe you can't. I thought I could. Alright. I'm just hitting it wrong. I'm on camera, so I'm really screwing it up right now. Alright, I'll need more practice with that. But, huge knife. This thing is huge. Feels awesome in the hand. Awesome coating on the blade. This is SL08. Another rattlesnake design, D2. And I'm not sure what I paid for this one at auction. Might have been like 38 bucks or 42 bucks. I think new they're like 59 or 69. Hey, I can reverse flick it, but having trouble on camera. That was a good one that time. Freaking awesome knife. Definitely feels extremely heavy duty. Something I would not be afraid to carry with me and use heavily every day. This one I know you can carry and use heavily every day, because I have. And the action has been that good since the day I opened it. I mean, it has fallen shut like that without shaking it since the day I opened it. You just guide the blade right home just by rolling your wrist. I mean, that's $300 action there. And the last one, I don't even remember. I know I picked at these ones when they came in. I just took them out, maybe played with it for a couple minutes and put them all back. And now I remember. This big old one. This one's extremely easy to spidey flick, even though I just screwed it up. I mean, they give you a big deep choil there that your finger just sinks into and pops it right out. Like no effort. None. It takes zero effort. And I don't say that meaning it has a weak detent, because it absolutely does not have a weak detent. Doesn't have a real heavy detent either, but if it did, you would not be able to reverse flick it so freaking easily. Like, you can hit it up high, down low, it doesn't matter where you hit it at, this thing is just gonna fly open. I think this is another one. I think this is only like 27 bucks on eBay. Maybe 37. But something tells me I think it's only like 27 bucks on eBay or Amazon. Like, awesome blade shape. The Tonto. I've always been a big fan of the Tonto. You can see the grind goes perfectly in the center. On both sides. So another rattlesnake design. And look at the detail of this. They put it in the choil. The SL01. So this is number 1. D2. Rattlesnake design. Sixleaf. Amazing, amazing action. I mean, that's like beautiful G10. That G10 looks so freaking awesome. It almost looks like micarta. Like, absolutely amazing action. What number was this one? 08. SL08. So we got number 1. We already know. This is a number 2. SL02 and D2. What number was this one? This has a very satisfying sound too when it locks up. SL12 and D2. Wow, they definitely got more releases than what I thought. That was number 8. And this one I don't think really had a number, did it? 1.4116? That doesn't sound like a number to me. Doesn't say the blade steel either. Well, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Let me know which one was your favorite. Mine's still the first one I picked up. But I don't regret picking up these two. Or even this one. And I'll even use this one. It serves a purpose. So, comment down below. Definitely hit the like button and that subscribe button. And have an awesome day.